Welcome, in front of me is HP ZBook Firefly 14, and in this video I will show you how to update Windows on this laptop. So first open the Start menu, go to Settings, then scroll down to the last section, which is Windows Update. Click on it. Now it says you're up to date, but we can manually check for updates by clicking this button. And if some updates show up on your screen, you can click below each update in order to install it, download and install. For example, I got an update preview, which I'm not gonna install because since it's a preview, I don't need to know. It's basically like a beta version of a new Windows version, so I'm gonna leave it right here. But if you got some more updates, just click it, download and install, and wait until the update is installed. In some cases, you'll have to restart your laptop after you do that. It will be written right here on this page, so you'll know if you have to restart your PC. And generally speaking, that's basically how you update Windows. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.